Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. So whenever I think about food and gastronomy, I like to consider the entire life cycle. My thinking is that we get so much from the earth and it is important to give back as well. Whether it is the start, like a seed, the middle, like a plate of food we're about to eat, or the end, a compost pile, I think it's important for us and to all of us, and it plays an important role in all of our lives. So, in this episode, we're touching on the end of the gastronomic life cycle, i.e., composting. It's pretty simple. So, it's a pretty simple practice. All you need is a carbon source, a nitrogen source, oxygen, and water. And right there, you have all of the right ingredients. But now, you just have to get the right balance. And an ideal balance to carbon and nitrogen is around 20 to 1, or around 40 to 1, depending on the weight of your ingredients. So here is a list of some common sources of carbon. Some popular and readily available might be cardboard and dried leaves. In my case, I used a brown paper bag and here is a list of nitrogen sources right here. Mostly common would be kitchen scraps and coffee grounds. And finally, we have a list of what not to compost: pet waste, colored newspapers, and plastics. But don't stress too hard on this. Just remember that if you put one item carbon, try to balance it out with a nitrogen ingredient next time. Balance is definitely key. So also shout out to the Compost Junkie for the helpful and educational content. I'll link all of his materials down below, and thanks again for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Oh yeah, that's some good looking compost, right?